clear something up right now. This side hustle I am doing, it's called network marketing. It's not a scam. It's a business model that has been around a long time. Here's how it works. It's about a real company with real products that people actually use every single day. We don't sell hype, we don't promise magic, we just share information about something that's helping people live better, feel better, and earn extra income. You don't need to be a salesperson or have fancy skills. No, you simply share the info, people see the value, and when they join, you get paid. That's it. No boss, no clocking, just you, your phone, your laptop, and a system that pays you weekly and monthly. So if you've been curious about what I do, it is network marketing done the right way. Real company, real products, real people winning. And you know what? You could be next. Put a yes in my comments and I'll send you the link.